Wagwan, my people. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue. I think today is our third day. So we just have one more piece of wall and then we're gonna wait until we get to our bricks, because the homeowner changed the brick. So let me show you where we are so far on this project. So you see we tweet our corner. This is how we do it out here in Canada. I know most places across the world you guys bring the entire wall up one shot. So we finish this section here. Finish here. And you see we finish this. Finish that piece, and then we have a little, just the next piece up front there that we're gonna start work on now. After I finish that piece, then we're gonna come to work on the back and work our way around. Hopefully I can wrap this up in 2 weeks, guys. I have so many jobs, and if you're a bricklayer in the Toronto area, or if you drive and don't mind and you want to be a part of the team, feel free to shoot me a message. I'll leave a link to my email address up top. If you want to be a part of the team, you can come and join us as if you're a bricklayer. So this is where we are working on. Set up our strap. Look, our bad boys here, our uphold, we go all the way up. Okay guys, with no further ado, let's dive right into the video. Start lay some bricks. Hope you guys enjoy it. But before we jump into the video, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. I'd love to have you a part of our team. Let's dive into the video, guys. Bringing it right into our foundation. So guys, this brick that I'm using right now, I'm just putting it there temporarily because I'm gonna purge it later on. So it's not gonna show. It don't have to be perfect because we're gonna wipe mortar right here and cover it. Just using it there because we want to bring up the brick a little higher. Leave a weeping hole right here. So first sweeper, guys. Tree brick, we leave a weeping hold. After YouTube, you know. We get your first course. Like I said, I was gonna purge the small piece that I cut underneath the bottom. So now we're gonna continue. Now guys, we're taking our mark. We're gonna work 0 for this one. We're trying to work for the garage door at the front. So it's the same 0 on 0 work over there on the wall. That's how we just continue with the same number that you start out with. Now I'm gonna continue on. up on that. Show up on that. Mash up the way it sound. Like, you know what we do it every day. Push on.
Yeah, man, I to pass the vice and this. Go to pass the bomb box. You move the house, got more again. Like a machine.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Just one of these type of man, you know?
Yeah, man.
Up here, we'll start, can do one more. You know the type of people there? Ah. I want soap. Just run them on the run back. It, guys. Hope you get value from this video. If you do get value from this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed for more upcoming video like this one. Still have the back. We're gonna go to the back now to start to work on the back. Be safe. Until then, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.